what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get a DM from celebrities. Just stay with me to the end. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like this video. Also check out my channel, there are some awesome videos I've uploaded. You can learn how to get followers. Just check my videos. Now how to get a DM from celebrities is just a prank. You can prank your friends. Your friends gonna believe you. Just go to your message, then click on this place and click set. Then we're going to search for Cristiano Ronaldo, which is a celebrity. Okay, this is account. Then I'm going to search for my other account. Yes, this. Then I'm going to add it. Then I'm going to send a message, hi. Then I'm going to leave conversation. You click leave conversation. Then I'm going to log into my other account. You'll be surprised. So I just got a message. Whoa, look at it. Cristiano Ronaldo just sent me a message. Whoa, I'm so happy. So now that's how you can prank your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Also, oh god, I just love this. Please get me to 100 subscribers. I'll be glad if you do that for me. Also, you should like I'll be glad. Okay, let me do another one if you didn't understand. Now I'm going to search for Ariana Grande. Then search for my account. I'm gonna leave conversation. Now I'm gonna click on your account. And you can see, got it. Ariana Grande just sent me a message. Hi Gabriel, how are you doing there? So that's how you prank your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time, next day, next story.